Hey friends, if you wish to fix checksum error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or restart and then select restart. The second solution is to update the BIOS. Now, let us suppose I have an Asus computer. So I will search for Asus BIOS update. Okay, it will take me to the download page for Asus. It's similar for Dell, HP, Lenovo, whatever computer you want. Enter the model name. For example, in my case, it's FA507RE. So I'll select this one. And then I'll go to drivers and tools. And I'll wait for this page to load. And once it loads, I might find an option for the BIOS utility. Okay. So I was selected the model. I will click on OK. Go to the BIOS and firmware section. And then it will need a while to load the BIOS and firmware section, and then download the BIOS, and then you can click on open. And once you click on open, it will install the latest BIOS, and the same for Dell, HP, Lenovo, whatever computer brand you want. Lastly, if everything else fails, you will have to replace the CMOS battery, and this thing has to be done by a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.